Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. You are watching Math with XII-Federal. Today we are going to discuss the table of specification for second year federal board students. Chapter wise, we have to discuss the total marks of each chapters we have to discuss. There are 7 chapters in second year federal board mathematics book. Chapter 1 is function and limits. Chapter 2 is differentiation. Chapter 3 is integration. Chapter 4 is introduction to analytic geometry. Chapter 5 is linear inequalities and linear programming. Chapter 6 is conic section, and the chapter 7 is vectors. Now we have to discuss the total marks for each chapter will be taken out. There will be 19 marks from chapter 1, that is function and limits. 19 marks will come from chapter 1, function and limits. 23 marks will be selected from chapter 2, that is the differentiation. 23 marks. 23 marks will also be taken out from chapter integration. Integration, there will be 23 marks. Introduction to analytic geometry, there will be 19 marks. Questions will be taken out from chapter 4. And there is linear inequalities and linear programming, there will be 14 marks. Chapter 6 is conic section, that is 23 marks will be taken out from this chapter, that is chapter 6 conic section. And the last chapter, that is the vectors, and 11 marks will come from chapter 7, that is vector. So the total paper with all choices, with the total paper will be 132 marks, and 100 marks paper will do the students. So here the paper will be, there will be 3 sections there, section A, section B and section C. Section A is MCQs, 20 marks, total 20 marks there. Section B, there will be total 16 parts. Section B, it is short question answers. There will be total 16 parts there, and 12 parts will be selected from 16 parts there. And that will be the 48 marks, that is section B is 48 marks. Now, section C, detailed questions section. There will be total 6 questions, and 4 questions will be selected by the students. So there will be 20, 48 and 32. There will be the 100 marks paper, and with choices the total paper marks will be 132, and students will attempt 100 marks paper there. Now dear students, focus again on this specification table here. So this, if you have to focus on this chart with chapter wise, that means chapter 2, chapter 3 and chapter 6, you have to more concentrate on these 3 chapters. 23 marks of chapter 2, 23 marks of chapter 3 and 23 marks for chapter 7 as well. So this is the chart will help you for your board examination there, how many concentration you have to do on the chapter wise there. So it will be very much convenient for you for the preparation for your board exams there. Thank you so much, dear students. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.